Yeah, it's too many little small little pieces. 37, 38. Hmm. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's like that, man. And the trend is out right now, right? Mm. Hmm. So it looks like about 42% of top step traders are long and 58 are short right now. Mm. Mm. Oh shit. Yeah, you're just being cute with it. Being cute. Mm. So we got about 3 more minutes until the orb is complete. Got about 3 more minutes. So far, the orb is something like this so far. I like to go. All right, so that's the orb so far. We got about 2 more minutes until the orb is complete. We could see a potential false breakout here. We could. That's what I'm expecting actually. As I'm looking at SPY, I mean, the first thing I see is that we got a dark pool area right here. We don't see a lot of strength in the market right now, but the one thing that I do see is that we did bounce from a 1-hour fair value gap on the ES. It literally bounced at the 50% of a 1-hour fair value gap. So this is a gap right there. And you can see that the market bounced literally at the 50% of that fair value gap right there. So that's why we saw that drop into this area as it filled all the resting buy orders. We've seen the move right back up. And now the market is making its way back higher. I don't know if this suggests that we continue to go higher. I will take a short around 59.60. We do have somewhat of a range right here, and we do see the market breaking structure to the downside. So I want to take that retest trade right there. That break and retest trade right back into that area. So we'll see if I have the right idea here. All right, so the orb is complete. The orb has been completed. So we are seeing somewhat of a breakout right here. We are seeing somewhat of a breakout. All right, so we'll see. So we'll see. But it does look like we are getting that breakout. And then we are seeing that breakout from SPY as well. We got the indicators saying that Hey, yeah, what's up, Tony? Yeah, what's up, Alfred? Wish I could just copy and paste the add-on so I don't have to do this every freaking time. Okay. Damn. Yeah, sorry to see that, man. Yeah, I know that's not fun at all. Yeah, what's up, Santiago? Man, you know what, Alfred? That sucks, man. That sucks. Especially when you're so close, man. That sucks. I know right now. I know right now. Man, that just sucks. Try not to revenge trade, bro. Try not to tilt buy or revenge trade. Just try. Try not to, but I understand, man. I understand. Okay. Yeah. Okay. He said R2 wide. The Russell hit off the 50, then bounced. You know, I've been trying. Oh, speaking of that, so if y'all guys recall last week, I was talking about the TTW trend indicator, and boy, this morning I was watching it, and look at that. Look at that right there. Bounced perfectly at that trend indicator. And then later on, this was like what, a 10-point, 12-point play right there. And then it drops and bounces at that green line, and then it comes back up. So first it bounced at the was like 38. Okay, so yeah, this was the bounce right here. I wish I took it, man. I was just looking at it. Wish I took it. So from 38 all the way up to, wow, about an 18-point move right there off of that indicator. Just this is that same screenshot right there. That was that bounce at 38, and it went all the way up to 50, and then it comes crashing back down, and then this is where that green line was. It bounced at the green line, and from the green line, it pushed all the way up back up to 56. So I was like, you know, this trend indicator has a lot of potential. It has a lot of potential. I'm gonna keep paying attention to it, but it has a lot of potential. No, it's just too much. Keep this shit simple. Right now, the trend indicator is saying that that's too much. Let's get that. Then I got the DOM. Actually, you know what I should have done? I mean, it's a lot. Like, I mean, obviously, all this is a lot. But I will get used to this and become more efficient with it. But I wonder if when it got down to 38, when price got down to like the 38, I wonder if this were like a sign, because the DOM, I guess how I'm gonna use and utilize the DOM is if there's orders sitting at the area that I want to potentially get into. Like right now, I'm looking to get in at around like 59, and I can already see that, well, it's not too much activity right there. It's not too much activity. It's like I should have just stayed. I should have just tried my luck with the long somehow, but we'll see. Not seeing anything at 59 or not seeing anything at 60. But this is very thin though. The session profile is very thin here, so we'll see if that's actually going to be, if that's going to mean something. Because now that I'm looking at it, you can see that, yeah, it's thin right here. So what is that? The volume profile sells, volume profile buys. This is the session volume profile. And then this area, there's obviously no liquidity. It's really light compared to, it's kind of like a gap almost. It's kind of like a gap. Wow, look at all these orders building up. God damn, dude. Look at all these orders building up at around 770, 72 or 275. So it looks like, okay, so yeah, 275 was that pivot high from this morning. So it looks like market participants are looking to buy into these stops. Or if these are, because if these are sells, it looks like either these are either these are these sellers getting out at break even at 75, or this is where their stop is to buy themselves out of their position, or these are market participants looking to buy into their stops. It could be both, but it's pretty obvious that 72 or 275 is probably an area that I should pay attention to. I should pay attention to this area for sure. We'll see if it comes back down, because it's saying that if I get in around like 43, but I mean, if it comes back, I mean, if it comes down, I don't know. But honestly, I probably should be buying this thing, but I don't think I'll ever be comfortable buying at these highs. Well, I guess technically this is the opening range high. Technically, that is the opening range high. What I don't want to do though, I don't want to trade against my other position. I have a sell order around 260. I don't want to trade against that position. If it dips a little bit lower, then I wouldn't mind, but I just don't want to trade against. Yeah, it definitely is. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if we look over at the Nasdaq, let's do that. MNQ. Let's do that. Yeah. I mean, it does look like it's the same story for the ES as for the Nasdaq. We did have this big drop. The market got bought right back up. And what I believe is happening here is the bears, as this thing went down, you're going to have sell orders, unfilled sell orders that are getting filled. But I mean, the market is trending higher though. I mean, we can clearly see that the market is trending. Market is trending higher. What is this like? What a rising wedge pattern? Where it's consolidating. Kind of looks like a triangle a little bit. So we got the rising trend line, but then we got something kind of like right here. So this is kind of like a triangle. Somewhat of a triangle. We'll see what happens. Yeah, this price action is definitely if you're not scalping this, it's probably best to sit on your hands. I mean, from what I've seen, Bookmap is definitely a tool for the ES. Because there was liquidity sitting right here, and they just dumped that thing. Man, would I even want to take a trade like that? No. Nope. Baby, you my boat, you my lady, you ain't my money, I'ma told him that was I should have never fought with you, but it's cool. That's Are you closing the? Oh shit! What the fuck was just that? Damn. You're closing up shop already today, Santiago? You know, I might actually just adopt the time frame where I trade the ES. Might just adopt the time frame. Let me make sure this is the a right account. Okay. I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna take a trade. If given the opportunity, I'm gonna trade at the trend indicator. If given the opportunity to do so. All right, I'm gonna trade at this because that's where there's a lot of things that I like about this potential trade. And there's another. It's probably like That's a 5-point spread right there on the ES. It's 5 points. So actually what I'll do is not do that. What I'll do is I'll do this instead. Almost fucked myself up here. Okay. Well, I guess. 48. The 50% of the orb would have been a good trade. I mean, this trade is not really in my repertoire. I don't really like trading the orb. But hey, it would have been a good trade. A 10-point target would have been at right around those highs. A 9-point target would have been right there at the high. Yeah, it kind of is. He rejected the Iranians' proposal. Wow. Well, yeah. So the U.S. is opening up the strait. It happened at 8:05. UAE issue potential missile threat. Issues potential missile threat. Well, we looked at this last night. We haven't had the market be net negative in a very long time. Okay, never mind. We're in. So we're in the position. It looks like it's not gonna end well for me here. Well, it looks like it's not going to probably end well for me here. Okay. Yeah, it looks like. I had a feeling I probably should have just took that trade at 61. I had a feeling I should have taken it at 61, but I wanted to make sure I got in this thing. All right. Mm. Well, the only thing I don't particularly care for is my target placement and the EMAs. Probably should get out of this. $47. Thing does look like wants to shoot higher and be nasty. Yeah, I mean, I think so too, Rudkit. I mean, the trend indicator is saying that I should be long right now. I figured that the market would kind of come into this area right here and get a quick rejection down, but I was obviously wrong here. Hopefully the ES will, show me mercy. Hopefully. You know what, Rudkit? Secretly, I was hoping that, but I don't think, yeah, the way this thing is looking, it doesn't want to give me that. I don't want to. Okay. All right, let me just do this. Let me just do this because I think it's trying to get to like 65, I think. I think it's trying to get to 65. Mm. We're probably gonna get a Trump tweet in any minute now. Dump this thing, damn it. Man, come on. Give me a break here. I'll take a break even. I mean, if this thing kind of shoots past 65, you know, I'll just have to take the loss on this one. Because I mean I'm way above my budget on this. Mm, yeah. I mean, they are. Well, they are trying. It looks like the sellers at 64 is going to get absorbed. All right, I should have just probably should have stopped out of this a long time ago. I had to take a bigger loss than what I intended to take. Well, hopefully this thing doesn't just wick up. I would just prefer it just comes back down so I can kind of get out of this at break even. That would be great, ES. I would just hate that it comes up here, stops me out, and then goes down. You know, that would just suck, man. That would suck. That would suck, man. That would suck. Because if this thing comes crashing down, after I was actually looking for break even right there. This thing comes crashing down, that would just suck. You said ES closed below the 264 level. Going to see if the NQ takes out the highs as well. The previous month's high. I'm assuming so. Previous month high. I'm assuming so. Is that what you mean? Yeah, pre-mark. Oh, pre-mark. Yeah. I guess that does make more sense. Huh? All right. Yeah. I mean, well, we'll see if this means something. We'll see if all these contracts that are sitting right here at around what is a 75.50. I want to see if that means something right there. Or yeah, 75.50. So 75.50. We'll see if the market that means something right there. I'm gonna take a short here, man. I'm taking a short here because all those orders right there, the market's definitely gonna. Actually, let me just. I'm gonna front run those orders though. 75.50. I'll front run it by a point. Okay, so we'll see if they come down to 60 like Rick said. I mean, if I can take the longs up to this level, that would be great, but let me get my buy stop ready. It's 52. The indicator right now is at 52. So that would make sense. I mean, it's literally right here at this high. It's literally right there at that high right there. So that would make sense. If you see a strong green candle, I'll buy it. I mean, I really don't even know where this even goes, honestly. I guess for right now, I'll shoot to break even. And given the opportunity to break even, I'll break even. If I shit, why not? This is where we think the market will go. Shit, fuck it. right, so let's see. 70. Looks like the bears are trying to come in right there at these highs, but let's trade with the trend, baby. Let's trade with the trend. Unless this thing comes crashing down, it hurts my feelings. Oh shit. I hope so now. Hopefully this wasn't a trap to get aggressive bulls to try to buy past these highs right here. Hopefully not. If we can get a break above these highs, that would be great. That's great. Yep, we got a break from the ES on these highs. Got a break. 71.25. Mm. 675. It would just be awesome if I just kind of had an idea of where I can get out at. I really don't even know where I am on the chart. I mean, that's the one thing I don't like. I don't like it when I don't know where I'm at on the chart. We could try to get out at those highs, but I'm not going to play that game. We'll just do that. We'll just do that. We'll just do that. Because I don't know where I'm at on the chart. This thing could just come crashing down just to be nasty. 450 would have almost broke even right there. 54. Well, I know to stay long here. I know that if it does come crashing down, getting back in long would be the better option because according to this indicator, we're still in a bullish trend. The CVD is still positive. It's super positive. So the trend is still bullish. The CVD is positive. So even if it does come crashing down, it's going to get bought right back up. The only thing now is just to be patient and manage the trade as best as possible and move forward from there. That's all we can do here. Yeah, that's a great way to put it. We're bullish, but with caution. Yeah, that's a great way to put it. Nice. Actually, let's look at that. We didn't, that's probably something I'll probably start doing now. Pay attention to the volume. So, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, you're right, Rocket. I mean, compared to last week, yeah, this volume is. I mean, the only thing that I see that looks normal is the MNQ's volume. Is trading at over 960,000 contracts. I mean, I guess that's kind of normal for the ES as well. Over 500,000 contracts for both. But in comparison to the last couple of weeks, yeah, that's kind of I know, right? I know, right? Oh man, Trump. I mean, I'm still trying to get on that I'm about the tweet list, man. I'm still trying to get on that list. You think so? Yeah, honestly, I mean, I think so too, man. A lot of people are shorting this. I mean, as a bear myself, I know I would be shorting. I would be shorting this. I think what's happening is people are shorting this. Look at all these buy. Oh my god, dude, I'm definitely getting short here. I'm trying, man. I'm gonna try. I'm trying here. Look at all these orders, these buy orders right here. Look at all these buy orders. I'm definitely trying if price gets there. I'm shorting that. I'm definitely shorting. Maybe we're almost to target, bringing us back to being positive with a little bit of P&L. I'm not going to be greedy here. I'll accept that if given. So all three just broke the pre-market high. Hold on. Well, I guess the ES is about to. Or I guess, hold on, when you say pre-market, are you talking about like after Asia? I guess when I think of pre-market, I just think of whenever everything before the New York Open is pre-market to me. So if we're using the same definition, Asia, London is pre-market to me. Okay. Okay. So you said from 4 a.m. to about 9:30, 9:29. So that would be from 3 a.m. to 8:30 for me. Yeah. So 3 a.m. be somewhere in this candle. Oh, do you? And what results do you see from that, Santiago? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. So close. Literally a point away. Literally a point away. 4 ticks. Okay. I think my stop is safe. I don't want to say that with certainty, but the one thing I like about my stop right now is that it is now below the medium term EMA here. Doesn't mean nothing, but at least if it does push down, we could potentially see the market bounce there potentially for that. But hopefully it doesn't have to come to that. Hopefully it doesn't need to come to that. I have full faith in the ES that she won't do. And I'm not seeing anything about the short indicator or the trend reversing or anything like that. So just got to stay in this trade. Just got to be patient in this trade, I guess. And with all that liquidity at 75, that buy liquidity at 75, I think that's where the market wants to tap into. So okay, yeah. You know, honestly, I have to get to that point too. You know, trading such volatile instruments for so long, nice. Trading such volatile instruments for so long, it's hard to do that. It really is. It's hard to do that. Like when the trade gets invalidated, you get out because it volatile markets like to pretend like it invalidates the trade and then it bounces right back or shorts right back and hits your target after you stop yourself out. And I know stable instruments don't do that normally, but I don't want to take that chance. Interesting. Yeah. I know this trend is hurting a lot of bears' feelings right now. It's hurting my feelings, and I'm actually in a winning position. I'm in a winning position right now, and it's hurting my bear heart right now seeing this. Yeah, it definitely is, man. It definitely is. The reason why we're seeing all this is because bears are shorting into this. They are super shorting into this, and I know they are. I know they are. Looks like the Nasdaq and the ES. I mean, shit. Hmm. Nasdaq and the ES are basically the same instrument. I mean, they're doing the same thing. Nice. So, I mean, I guess whatever is happening on the ES is happening on the Nasdaq. It's the same price action. It's the same patterns that are formed. It's just that obviously the Nasdaq will make the bigger move. But yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, let's see. You know, honestly, I might just we'll see. But now they're pulling orders. Damn, look at all that. Look at all that. There are. Dude, look at these bears right now. Come on, bears. Don't do this. Don't do this before we hit profit, man. Look at all these bears right here. Look at all these bears just coming in and trying to sell this thing right here. Look at all this heat. These bears are not, excuse me, they are not playing. They are trying to defend their orders here at 75. They are trying to defend these orders. I think they'll be successful. I think we'll probably see a damn, probably a stop run and then a dump like that. Probably see that or, nice. You said it went from 940, 16, and 124 seconds. Huh? So you got it long again, Santiago? Yeah. I mean, it's highly likely. It's highly likely to happen. Because everybody's been talking about it. So that just tells me that's the market's consensus. Oh, shit. The fuck? Yeah, it seems like that's what everybody wants. And that's an hourly chart, so it's super bullish. I wouldn't short that. Yeah, I mean it's almost there too. It takes out this high right here at oh shit. Ah, come on. Ah, come on. No way. Ah, no way, dude. Ah, no way. Ah, no. No way. Damn. Ah. Damn. Damn, bro. Fuck. God damn it. Oh my god. Man. Ugh. 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 Damn. 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 Like I said, I don't know where I can even go with this. I don't know. Hmm. I don't know where I can go with this. Hmm. No, I don't have to do that. This indicator has potential. This indicator has potential. Probably. Let's see what happens at 265. Probably like at 270. This indicator literally bounced at this level, right there. It bounced literally right there. But then we also got, I mean, this line right there, and then we got that line right there. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, I'm pretty sure that, I mean, well, we already see the orders kind of forming right there. So, I mean, we guess we could see the market try to pull into that. Yeah, that move fucked a lot of people. That move, my God. That move fucked a lot of people. Mm. Mm. 265, 264. I mean, shit, we're up literally like $1,100, but I'm not gonna accept that. We literally caught the bottom of this move almost. And the only reason why I didn't catch the bottom is because the spreads was too wide and I couldn't get the orders closer to the bottom. But it bounced perfectly at that damn at that indicator, man. This indicator has a lot of potential. Combined with my knowledge, this has a lot of potential right here. But hopefully it doesn't need to come all the way back down here. Hopefully it doesn't. You know, honestly, I can kind of see why people move away from other strategies and comes to order flow because, well, I mean, even though the DOM is, I mean, well, Bookmap is just basically the DOM visualized. I mean, all these orders is on the DOM, but I mean, this is just it's just Bookmap visualizing the DOM. I still like to look at the DOM though. Or at least I'm beginning to enjoy looking at the numbers. And well, we got a dump at what? I don't know, like around like 70, went away from my target, and we got a dump there. I mean, there's no indication of why we got a dump there. I mean, it just dumped. Just dumped. It just felt random, honestly. But yeah, I mean, it just felt random. Well, I guess there's no point in me going negative in this damn thing, I guess. There's no point in me going negative, I guess. I mean, if it does come crashing back down to my break even, I guess I'll just... Yeah, I mean, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that, and it's just unfortunate, man. I mean, well, I guess technically this is the Bears, the Bulls trying to, but that is just so gay. My God, literally a point, man. Literally a point from glory. A point from glory. Man, why does the market has to do this? And then it crashes out, man. Shit crashes out. Seriously? 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 Well, if I wasn't on tilt, I can actually close this trade and lock out because but I'm on tilt though. Cuz I just felt cheated in that freaking position, man. That just sucks, man. That sucks. That literally just sucks. That sucks. That sucks. All right, so the trend is down now. The trend is down. The trend is down. Hold on. All right, you got her? So the trend is down. So that means I should be looking for shorts now. You know, that shit will just suck if this thing, you know, honestly, so if this thing pops back up and hits my target, I'm just gonna walk away, man. I'm just gonna walk away. I'm just gonna walk away if it does that. Yeah, Santiago, man, that just sucked, man. That was not a good feeling. That was not a good feeling at all. That was not a good feeling. You know what? I didn't even notice that. That's so crazy. I didn't even notice that. I was just so angry. I didn't notice that. I didn't notice that it bounced at the orb high here. I didn't notice that. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna keep my eyes at this orb low. If it sweeps and pops back up, I'm going long. Fuck that. going long if it hits that lower orb low and pops back up, or like probably for like a scalp or something. Man, I'm so disappointed in that. I'm disappointed in that. I'm disappointed in that. What I am proud of is, well, not proud of, but what I am happy to have discovered is this indicator. Now I know to stay. Now I know right now the trend is short. So taking longs is off limits until the indicator says that it's time to take shorts again, or it's time to take longs again. But I'm not going to allow the indicator to dictate all of my actions. I do believe if we see a drop and a pop back up, man, I'm going long at this orb low. I'm going long at this orb low. And something else that I'm disappointed in is that I was up about $1,200 in this move and I gave it all back. Typical. Typical. Oh shit, I didn't even realize that, man. I didn't even realize that. Again, this shit was a point away from my target. I didn't realize it went up that high. Well, this is actually 3 ticks away from my, about a point. I rejected at 64. If it does pop back up above this high, I'm taking the short at 65. Because if I stayed in this thing would have stopped me out. So, I mean, I'm not going to be too frustrated about that. But if we do see the thing pop up, I'm going short here. If you look at Bookmap right now, we do see that now there's a bunch of orders sitting right there at 240. I'm definitely going to take a trade down there. Probably get in at like, probably front run that at like 41 or something like that because, well, I mean, nah. I mean, all the orders are sitting there at 40. So if the market takes out this liquidity right here, goes down and then pops back up, this is where I'm definitely going to get long, somewhere in there, and ride this thing right back up to that indicator right there. Because, I mean, it's highly unlikely that we get to 70. I mean, I guess we could. But it's unlikely. Well, I mean, I guess if it does bounce, then it's going to probably do something like this, maybe. Maybe. But I know the market really wants to get that liquidity at 75. There's a whole bunch of orders sitting right there. So that's where the liquidity is. And that's what I'm assuming where the market wants to go. So, I mean, I guess the bears wanted to protect their position, man. I guess I'll just take that. I'll take that into consideration next time. The bears really were protecting their position. They weren't playing. They was not playing at all. All right, so let me get in. So there's a whole bunch of orders sitting at 40. It's a whole bunch of orders sitting at 40. We'll see what the market does. I'm gonna get my buy orders ready. Got in short from the 50. Man, how the hell did I miss it? Man, a point away. Come on, ES. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. A point away. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what the hell it is about that. But oh shit. Oh shit. See if we get a pop. Pops back up. Pops back up. Damn. Damn. Okay. I'm trying to get in. Trying to catch a pop, but I don't think that's gonna work out. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn. Damn, bro. God damn. Damn. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Damn. I would break even if I leave my stop right there. Man, ES will probably come back and snatch that stop right there. Come on, baby. Oh my God, ES. Come on. Stop being like that, baby. And Man, what a day, man. What a fucking day. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. Uh, all right. So we got the move. We got the pull back to the EMA. That's the first try. We'll see if that's the second try. And if we get a break back above that EMA, I'll try to get in long for a quick scalp. What I'm looking for is the market to reject off of this EMA. Take out these lows. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay. TP me, baby. TP me. Don't bullshit me. Don't bullshit me. TP me. So what we just talked about to happen, I just bought into the stops of the bears here, failing as per usual. They need a Trump tweet. Oh, come on. Come on. They need a Trump tweet every time just to get the market to go. Come on. You can TP me. Come on, you can TP your boy. You can't make that crap up, man. You can't make that crap up. You can't make it up, man. Come on, just TP your boy. You've been missing my TP all freaking morning. Come on. Come on. Why is the market allergic to my TP? Why is it so allergic to my TP? Why? Why is it so allergic to my TP? Why is it always stopping a tick before it? Oh, come on. Man, that is such bullshit, man. That is such bullshit, man. That is just so much bullshit. Why is this thing so allergic to my TP? Like, dude, that is just insane, man. It's just insane. Come on, stop doing that. Hit your boy's TP. Man, like, what the Damn, this thing's gonna probably nickel and dime me, man. I don't know, man. I don't know why that shit was. I don't know, man. It literally stopped a tick before my TP, man. I can't believe that. Let me lock this account before I blow it, man. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for me today, man. That was, man, wow, dude. Wow, 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 wow. That's all I can say about this session is wow. But I do appreciate. Oh shit. I think I. Man. I think I might have fucked up somewhere. I know I hit they lost something in that account. I might have fucked up somewhere else. Let me see. I don't think I did though. See, okay, yeah. Fuck. Fuck. Mm. Why did I lose two? All right. Okay. All right. Well. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for me today. I do appreciate everybody that joined me this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we will definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. With that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.